My name is Sheena. I am 23-year-old now, but this story begins when I was 7. My father's name was Rajiv Sharma, a forest officer. My mother name Maya Sharma was a school teacher who believed in magic, poetry and secrets. We lived in peaceful town near the hills of Himachal Pradesh, surrounded by deep green forest. I was a happy child until one rainy night changed everything. That night my father went deep into the forest. He never came back. They searched for days. Only his broken compass was found. Everyone said a leopard or landslide took him. But I saw something no one believed, a straight light in the forest and whispering sound like someone calling my name. 16 years later, I was now 23, a history student, curious and sunburned like my dad. One day I found a hidden drawer in my father's old study table. Inside was a leather notebook and a half-burned map. The last page said, "Not lost, just hidden. The whispering woods hold the truth. Don't fear the light, follow the star." Dad. I could not believe it. Was my father still alive? Or did he find something that others were not meant to see? I packed a bag and returned to the old house near the forest. Everyone said I was mad, chasing dream. But I was not alone. Kabir, my childhood friend, now a wildlife filmmaker, joined me. He believed in facts, not fairy tale, but he believed in me. We entered the whispering wood. A strange thing happened. Our compass spun in circles. Birds moved in pattern like signals. And at night, the tree whispered. We followed the map, solved puzzle, found symbols carved on the rock, and a cave behind a waterfall. Inside the cave, we found a journal in my father's handwriting. I discovered an ancient tribe. They protect something powerful, a light that shone your true soul. They believe it may stay hidden from the greedy world. But the final page was missing. Then we were caught by the tribe. The tribe leader came forward. He looked at me and whispered, "You are the first child." Then, from the shadow, my father walked out alive. I ran to him, crying. He held me and said, "I could not return. They saved me when I was lost. I choose to protect secret, but I never stopped thinking of you." The light they protected was not gold or treasure. It was a crystal that reflects truth. It shows your fears, your memories, your heart. My father had passed the test. Now it was my turn. The crystal showed me my younger self, cried, brave, lost, but never give up. It also showed me Kabir's heart, which is full of silent love. I realized I loved him too. We promised the tribe to keep their secrets safe. My father decided to come back with us. He had done his duty. Afterward, I wrote a book, The Whispering Woods, a novel that became a bestseller. No one believed it was real, but that's okay. Kabir and I started a new school near the forest, teaching about nature, truth, and courage. And every full moon, we sit by the fire with my father, and sometime we still hear the forest whisper. Not all who are lost need to be found, some just need to be remembered.